This is Elsie. She's 300 years old and likes fire trucks. She's a character from the world God only knows. And this skull here is what we'll be making today. Isil in Thingiverse had made a 3D printable version of the skull, so we'll just download that and print it. Now, if there's something else that you'd want me to print later on, please leave a comment and I'll consider printing that in a later on episode. But let's get to the printing. Now that the printing is done, we just need to get it off the printing surface. Then we'll mask it. And once the masking is done, we can then paint it. And then we take the masking off and we have the almost finished product. We just need to sand a little bit around the edges of the masking, which didn't work. And then we'll have the finished product. Thank you for watching.